Global warming is the gradual increase of average temperature throughout Earth's oceans and atmosphere. It is caused by what is known as the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect occurs when gases build up in the atmosphere and trap in the infrared radiation. These gases act as a blanket and keep heat trapped in the Earth. So how do these harmful gases get caught in the atmosphere? The burning of fossil fuels such as coal and oil releases carbon dioxide, which is the biggest greenhouse gas. Now that we know what these things are, what can we do to reduce our emissions? Use less heating and air conditioning, as they use up more energy in a house than anything else. Try keeping your home as insulated as possible, and wear a blanket if you still feel cold, or a fan if you're too hot. Transportation is another major area where change is needed in more ways than one. The change to having all-electric cars is becoming clearly necessary. However, the motor industry's tight connection to oil companies makes that very hard. Carpooling is a great way to save money and energy, not to mention some nice company on the way to work or school. If possible, take the TTC to work or school, as they're much more energy efficient compared to cars. The most environmentally friendly way of transportation is biking or walking, but these sometimes might be unfit for distances people might travel. Recycling is one of the most important ways to cut down on greenhouse gases. The more demand humans have, the more energy goes into making things. It's the same thing as buying a pizza and only eating half of it before throwing it away. Thankfully, certain plastics are now on the approved list of recyclable materials, so if you haven't already been doing so, make sure to be careful where you throw things out. Only purchase plastic water bottles when completely necessary, as they can easily be substituted for a reusable bottle that's practically free to fill. Ensure that all lights use LED bulbs, as they use 75% less energy than an incandescent bulb. When you leave a room, be sure that all lights are switched off, even if you're only leaving for a few minutes. If you enjoy reading and download a lot of audiobooks, try to get the print copy or an e-reader, as a computer takes so much energy for such a simple task. Try growing your own vegetables in the summer or spring. It's a good distraction from Netflix and gaming. And finally, spread the word on what you're doing to change. Together, we can all make a difference in keeping the Earth healthy.